Right now, you have a slight case of malnutrition. To maintain a good diet to help you stay strong, you need iron and vitamin A. This will eventually help you regain your strength and you will be good as new.
Well, what should I eat?
What do you normally eat?
For breakfast, lunch, and dinner, I have rice. Occasionally, I'll have meat and vegetables. However, I buy the cheap rice. Cheap rice. Cheap rice.
In that case, I will have to genetically engineer a specific type of rice to help you and others.
What is wrong with the rice that I'm currently eating?
The rice that you are eating has lost all of its nutritional value after the refining process that it goes through, such as a lack of iron and vitamin A. Because of the lack of vitamin A, you are at a risk of potentially becoming blind. You also need to eat more meat because you are not getting enough protein.
Oh no! So what rice should I eat instead?
At this point in time, there is no type of rice that is healthy and that has proper nutrients, especially not where you live. To help you, I will genetically modify rice.
What is genetic engineering?
Genetic engineering is where humans modify or change the genetic material of organisms, in this case, rice plants. I will change the genetic material of rice in order for you to have proper nutrients in your body. The gene that will be changed in the organism must be isolated in order for it to go through modification.
Oh, I see. Will I be able to see how the rice will be genetically modified?
Sure, come see me in a week so I can start and show you the process of how I do it.
Okay. Hello, doctor. I'm excited to see how you modified the rice.
Oh, hello. I'm glad that you're excited. Let me begin by explaining the basics.
Okay.
This here is a diagram of the rice. This is the bran, or the wall of the rice. Another part of the kernel is the germ. It is the embryo of the seed. And this important part is the endosperm. This is where I will inject the gene for beta-carotene. The endosperm surrounds the embryo or germ and it provides nutrition in the form of starch. And by injecting the beta-carotene, I am modifying the genes that make up the endosperm because I am basically adding a gene for beta-carotene into the rice seed. After the new gene has been added, once you plant the rice will itself produce the beta-carotene. So you only have to inject the gene for beta-carotene into the endosperm once, and then it will grow with nutrients by itself. You actually need to insert 3 different genes in the rice genome in order to make golden rice.
What is beta-carotene?
It's an organic compound with a red-orange pigment that when injected into rice, it will give a golden color, such as this. When you eat 1 molecule of beta-carotene, your body will convert it to 2 molecules of vitamin A, which you need.
Where do you derive the beta-carotene from?
Because carrots have an abundance of beta-carotene, it is useful in this project. Beta-carotene is also the most abundant carotenoid that produces vitamin A. See, this is beta-carotene. It's orange, so it will give the golden color. It will give a golden color to the rice. I use this knowledge to create this cup of golden rice that you will plant and eat from it for a few months. By eating this, you will be able to see your progress involving your health.
Thank you, doctor, for all your help. Hello, doctor. I've come for my checkup and for my health and the malnutrition that I had. Just to let you know, I feel so much better.
Well, that's wonderful because I have your tests right here and they're all negative, which is very good. How did the planting of the rice go?
It was quite easy. I planted the rice and harvested it. The rice was golden when grown, and I feel so much better after eating it.
Good. Now that you are not at risk of potentially becoming blind, you also have much more iron and vitamin A in your body, according to your blood tests, and with no case of malnutrition.
It's a good feeling to be healthy, but are there any side effects due to the genetically modified food that I'm eating?
No, fortunately, there are no side effects with this project, but however, there are in other fruits and vegetables.
Oh, good. Well, thank you, doctor. I appreciate your help and everything.
No problem. That's what I'm here for.